Hello, good night. My name is Collis Murray from the volcanic island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Tonight, I want to discuss with you the topic, organizations with motivated employees are more successful than those without. Before we delve into the topic, let's do a short background on motivation. According to Gilmenu, R. 2015, motivation in the workplace context refers to an employee's desire to participate in their work while constantly aspiring to attain professional goals. Gilmenu further claims that employees' motivation is dependent on the organization in which the employee operates. This is further highlighted by Heinsberg's motivation and hygiene factors, which claim that workplace conditions plays a significant role in employees' motivation. As we discuss this topic, three thesis statements will be discussed. Firstly, organizations with motivated employees tend to be more successful as motivated employees are more productive. From research, according to Manji A.A. et al. 2015, performance, can be defined as the level at which an employee makes effort to achieve an organization's goal. Manji A.A. et al. Claims that unmotivated employees tend to be less productive than motivated employees. This fact is well exemplified at my workplace. When I carried out a small survey on employee as I was promoted to a management position in the organization, the target sample was mixed. The first sample was taken from employees who were often rebuked due to their lack of productivity, whilst the second sample was taken from employees who was often praised for their efficient work. What was discovered, however, is that the unmotivated employees was as a result that they did not see the option of upward mobility, hence did not feel the need or the desire to put forward the extra effort to perform tasks, hence resulting in their lack of productivity. Whilst on the other hand now, those workers who were very productive saw the bigger picture. They were motivated as they saw promotion beyond the institution's borders. Hence, the reason for them constantly performing well and beyond. Secondly, Nelson B. 2001 stated that motivated employees understand the objective that he or she wants to achieve, as I alluded to before with the motivated workers at my workplace, thus resulting in achievement. This therefore means motivated employees are fully aware of the best appropriate way to achieve the objective, so it is easy for them to reach a given target within the organization. The second thesis statement is, being motivated, employees attain a higher level of job satisfaction as they enjoy what they're doing. Maslow's hierarchy of needs look at the individual needs, which stipulates that individuals will not move on to the next stage in the hierarchy until they are satisfied. At the top of this hierarchy is what is termed as self-actualization, where the individual feels accomplished. This aids the institution as the employee puts forward his or her best effort to accomplish their needs, which in effect aids the organization in achieving its goal. According to Gilmenu, R. 2015, the state of satisfaction or dissatisfaction of the employee is an indication of motivation, specifically of how efficiently or inefficiently it is achieved. Satisfaction at the workplace occurs when there is a synchronization with the individual need and the values of the work being done. The third statement, as a result, the organization will experience a lower staff turnover rate as there's a high retention rate due to motivated employees. Within any organization, the employee is one of the most critical assets. Motivated employees see themselves as part of the organization. Hence, they will be more reluctant to leave the organization as they are more content within that organization. According to D'Souza et al. 2018, employees who are satisfied with their job demonstrate motivation in their organization. Wackerby PM 2016 claims retention is critical as it prevents competent employees from leaving the organization, which may adversely affect the organization, productivity, and service delivery. Wackerby in his research concluded that employees leave their jobs due to factors such as poor salaries, management style. This ultimately leads the employee becoming unmotivated, hence withdrawing their service from the institution. Based on the arguments put forward before in the three thesis statements, but which may be compelling, there are, however, counter-arguments. One of the main counter-arguments encountered thus far is that other authors believe that the relationship between motivation and satisfaction is one-sided. They claim that satisfaction is an effect of motivation, or satisfaction is a direct cause of motivation, not being parallel to each other. K&T et al. 2014 concluded that the two concepts are separate. They claim that employees can be satisfied in their jobs but not motivated according to the principles of compatibility. And motivation and job satisfaction are not synonymous. This may seem strange because naturally an employee being unmotivated will not produce. Hence, the argument that these two statements are somewhat not synonymous is somewhat awkward. So therefore, it can be ascertained that motivation plays an important role in the productivity, self-satisfaction, and the retention of employees within the workplace. Thank you.